Lexus IS wheel spacers increase the clearance by mounting between the hub assembly and the wheels, which will move outward due to the fixed position of the hub assembly. Wheel flush with or protruding from the fender will give a more visually striking stance and appearance. The safety of Lexus IS wheel spacers largely depend on their quality, fitting, and installation. If they are of low quality, improper fitted, or installed incorrectly, problems can arise while driving. So the wheel spacer installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the ring hub holes. Step 1. Loosen the lug nuts and lift the vehicle. Place jack stands underneath for added safety. Step 2. Clean the wheel hub. Step 3. Place the BONOSS hub central wheel spacers to the hub. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Step 4. Reinstall the wheel. Put the wheel back onto the hub and secure it with the original lug nuts. Step 5. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Step 6. Lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts again. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards with precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control. These spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacer provide a perfect solution. Choosing the right wheel spacer is essential for both aesthetics and performance. By following these guidelines and opting for BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric spacers, you ensure a safe, vibration-free, and durable upgrade.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comment